Hello students, good morning to all. Last class we have been completed up to the question number 3 in exercise 3.2. So today I am going to discuss from the question number 4, and the question is, if A, B and C are any three matrices, then we need to verify this given equation. So this question is very most important for 5-mark question. So let's start the solution. To verify this given equation, first we need to find the value of LHS and call it as equation number 1, and then we need to find the value of RHS and call it as equation number 2. By comparing equation 1 and 2, we need to verify these two quantities are equal or not equal. So first we need to find the value of LHS. So in LHS, first we need to find B minus C matrix. B minus C matrix is equals to, direct ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. So B minus C is obtained by 3 minus 4. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿರುತ್ತೆ minus. So 3 minus 4 is equals to minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 is equals to minus 2. 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. And then 4 minus 0 is equals to 4. 2 minus 3 is equals to minus 1. 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. And then 0 minus of minus 2. 0 minus of minus 2. Minus into minus plus. So 0 plus 2 is equals to 2. And then 3 minus 3 is 0. And then we need to find A plus B minus C matrix. So A plus B minus C matrix is obtained by adding the corresponding elements. 1 plus minus 1. 1 plus minus 1 is equals to 1 plus into minus minus. So 1 minus 1. This matrix is what? A plus B minus C is equals to 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 plus into minus minus. So 2 minus 2 is 0. Minus 3 plus 0 is equals to minus 3. 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. 0 plus into minus minus. So 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 2 plus 3, 5. 1 plus 1, 2. Minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 means 2 minus 1. 1. 1 plus 0, 1. And this is the required LHS. Call it as equation number 1. And now in RHS, first we need to find the matrix A plus B. So A plus B matrix is equals to, A plus B matrix is obtained by adding the corresponding elements of matrix A and matrix B. So A plus B means 1 plus 3, 4. 2 plus into minus minus means 2 minus 1, 1. Minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. And then 5 plus 4, 9. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 1 plus 2, 3. Minus 1 plus 0, minus 1. 1 plus 3, 4. And now we need to find the matrix A plus B minus C. A plus B minus C is equals to, so this is A plus B matrix and here is the C matrix. So A plus B minus C matrix. 4 minus 4, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 1 minus 2, minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. 9 minus 0, 9. 2 minus 3, so 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 7 minus 2 is 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. Minus 1 minus into minus 2, minus 1 minus into minus 2. Minus 1 as it is minus into minus plus 2. So minus 1 plus 2 means 2 minus 1 is 1. And then 4 minus 3 is 1. And call it as equation number 2. So now from equation 1 and 2, or on comparing equation 1 and 2, on comparing equation 1 and equation 2, we conclude that, so 0 0 minus 3, here also 0 0 minus 3, 9 minus 1 5, 9 minus 1 5, 2 1 1, 2 1 1. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS, means A plus B minus C matrix is equal to A plus B minus. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take a note. So now the fifth question. Here he has given that if A and B are any two matrices, then compute or then find the matrix 3A minus 5B. Let's start the solution. 3A minus 5B is equals to 3 into matrix A. Matrix A is given by 2 by 3, 1, 5 by 3. And 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 4 by 3. 7 by 3, 2, 2 by 3. Minus 5 into B matrix. So B matrix is given by 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 1. 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 4 by 5. And then 7 by 5, 6 by 5, 2 by 5. 3 into matrix A is obtained by multiplying each and every element of this matrix by 3. Hence, which is equals to 3 into 2 by 3. 3 into 2 by 3. 3 and 3 get cancelled, remaining 2. 2. 3 into 1. 3. And then 3 into 5 by 3. 3. 3 get cancelled, 5. 3 into 1 by 3. 3 3 get cancelled, 1. 3 into 2 by 3. 3 3 get cancelled, 2. 3 into 4 by 3. 3 3 get cancelled, 4. 3 into 7 by 3. 3 3 get cancelled, 7. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 2 by 3. 3 3 get cancelled, 2. And similarly, minus 5 into B matrix. 5 into 2 by 5. 5 into 2 by 5. 5 and 5 get cancelled, remaining 2. 2. 5 into 3 by 5. 5 5 get cancelled, 3. 5 into 1. 5. 5 into 1 by 5. 5 5 get cancelled, 1. 5 into 2 by 5, 5 get cancelled, 2. 5 into 4 by 5, 5 get cancelled, 4. 5 into 7 by 5, 5 get cancelled, 7. 5 into 6 by 5, 5 get cancelled, 6. 5 into 2 by 5, 5 get cancelled, 2. So now difference of these two matrices is equals to 2 minus 2, 0, 3 minus 3, 0, 5 minus 5, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 4 minus 4, 0, 7 minus 7, 0, 6 minus 6, 0, 2 minus 2, 0. And which is the required 3A minus 5B matrix, and which is one of the zero matrix. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take a note. Now the sixth question, simplify the given equation. So here he has given that cos theta into one matrix plus sin theta into other matrix. So for simplifying this, first we need to multiply this matrix with cos theta. So cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. Cos theta into sin theta, as it is sin theta into cos theta. Cos theta into minus sin theta, plus into minus minus sin theta into cos theta. Similarly, cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta, plus sin theta into this matrix, sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta, sin theta into minus cos theta, plus into minus minus sin theta into cos theta, and then sin theta into cos theta, sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. Now addition of these two matrices is obtained by adding the corresponding elements, and which is equals to cos square theta plus sin square theta can be written as what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Similarly, sin theta into cos theta, sin theta into cos theta, plus into minus minus sin theta into cos theta. Here also minus sin theta cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta cos theta, and then cos square theta plus sin square theta can be written as sin square theta plus cos square, which is equals to, we know that one of the basic trigonometric identity, that is what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Therefore, in place of sin square theta plus cos square theta, we may write 1. Here, sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta get cancelled. 0. Here also, sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta get cancelled, 0. And here, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. And which is the required matrix. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take a note. Now the seventh question, find matrix X and matrix Y. For that, he has given that X plus Y matrix and X minus Y matrix. So this question is important for 3 marks. To find matrix X and matrix Y, call this x plus y matrix is equation number 1 and x minus y matrix is equation number 2. So to find matrix x and matrix y, we need to solve these two equations. So for that, if I add equation 1 and equation 2, y minus y get cancelled, directly we get the matrix x. Let's start the solution. Equation 1 plus equation 2. So LHS of equation 1 is x plus y plus LHS of equation 2 is x minus y is equals to RHS of equation 1 7 0 2 5 plus RHS of equation 2 is 3 0 0 3. So y minus y get cancelled, x plus x 2x is equals to 7 plus 3 10, 0 plus 0 0, 2 plus 0 2, 5 plus 3 8. Therefore required matrix x is equals to, shift this 2 towards the right hand side, it becomes 1 by 2 into matrix 10 0 2 8. Therefore required matrix x is equals to 10 by 2 5, 10 into 1 by 2, 2 ones are 2 5s 5, 0 by 2 0, 2 into 1 by 2, 2 2 get cancelled 1, 8 by 2 means 4. Now to find matrix y, we need to subtract equation 2 from equation 1 or substitute the matrix x in any one of these two equations. So easy yavadagutta, substitute this matrix x in equation number 1. So put matrix x in equation 1. So equation 1 implies x plus y. So matrix x is 5 0 1 4. In place of x matrix 5 0 1 4 plus matrix y is unknown, therefore plus y is equals to matrix 7 0 2 5, 7 0 2 5. Therefore required matrix y is equals to 7 0 2 5, and shift this matrix towards the right hand side, it becomes minus of matrix 5 0 1 4, 5 0 1 4. Therefore matrix y is equals to 7 minus 5 2, 0 minus 0 0, 2 minus 1 1, 5 minus 4 1. So these are the required matrix x and matrix y. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take a note. Now the second question in 7th one. Here also we need to find matrix x and matrix y. For that he has given that 2x plus 3y is one matrix and 3x plus 2y is other matrix. So this question is also important for 3 marks. To find matrix x and matrix y, call this 2x plus 3y matrix is equation number 1 and 3x plus 2y matrix is equation number 2. So to find matrix x and matrix y, we need to solve these two equations. And to find matrix y, we need to equate the coefficient of matrix x on both the equation. Or to find matrix x, we need to equate the coefficient of matrix y on both the equations. So let's start the solution. To equate coefficient of matrix X on both the equation, we need to multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2. So then coefficient of matrix X on both the equation should be equal to 6. So let 3 into equation 1 minus, why? Because 6x minus 6x get cancelled, then directly you can get the matrix Y, minus 2 into equation 2. So 3 into LHS of equation 1 is 2x plus 3y minus 2 into LHS of equation 2 is 3x plus 2y is equals to 3 into RHS of equation 1 is 2, 3, 4, 0 minus 2 into RHS of equation 2 is 2 minus 2 minus 1, 5. 3 into 2x, 6x plus 3 into 3y, 9y minus into plus minus 2 into 3x, 6x minus into plus minus 2 into 2y, 4y is equals to 3 into this matrix. So 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 4, 12, 3 into 0, 0 minus 2 into 2, 4, 2 into minus 2, minus 4, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, 2 into 5, 10. So 6x minus 6x get cancelled. 9y minus 4y is 5y, which is equals to 6 minus 4, 2. 9 minus into minus plus, 9 plus 4 is 13. 12 minus into minus plus, 12 plus 2 is 14. 0 minus 10 is minus 10. Therefore, required Y matrix is equals to, shift this 5 towards the right hand side, 1 by 5 into matrix 2, 13, 14, minus 10. Or the matrix Y is equals to 2 divided by 5. 2 into 1 by 5 is 2 by 5. 13 divided by 5. 14 divided by 5. Minus 10 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are minus 2. So this is the required matrix Y. And similarly, to find matrix X, we need to equate the coefficient of matrix Y on the both the equation, or we need to substitute matrix Y in any one of these two equations. So easiest method is we need to equate the coefficient of matrix on both the equations. So ಜಾಗ ಸಾಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ. Matrix Y ಏನು ಬಂದದ? Y matrix is equals to 2 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5 and minus 2. To equate coefficient of matrix Y on both the equations, multiply this equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3. Then 2 into equation 1 minus, because 6y minus 6y get cancelled, that's why minus 3 into equation 2. So 2 into LHS of equation 1 is 2x plus 3y minus 3 into LHS of equation 2 is 3x plus 2y, which is equals to 2 into RHS of equation 1 is 2, 3, 4, 0. 2, 3, 4, 0. Minus 3 into RHS of equation 2 is 2, minus 2, minus 1, 5. 2 into 2x, 4x, plus 2 into 3y, 6y, minus into plus, minus 3 into 3x, 9x, minus into plus, minus 3 into 2y, 6y is equals to 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 4, 8, 2 into 0, 0, minus 3 into 2, 6, 3 into minus 2, minus 6, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, 3 into 5, 15. 6y minus 6y get cancelled. 4x minus 9x is minus 5x, which is equals to 4 minus 6 minus 2. 6 minus into minus plus 6 plus 6 is 12. 8 minus into minus plus, so 8 plus 3 is 11. 0 minus 15 is minus 15. Therefore, required matrix X is equals to, shift this minus 5 towards the right hand side. It becomes minus 1 by 5 into matrix minus 2, 12, 11, minus 15. Or matrix X is equals to minus 2 into minus 1 by 5. Minus into minus plus 2 into 1 by 5 is 2 by 5. 12 into minus 1 by 5 is minus 12 by 5. 11 into minus 1 by 5 is minus 11 by 5. So minus into minus plus 15 by 5. 5 ones are 5 threes are. So 3. These are the required matrix X and matrix Y. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take a note. I hope all of you understood today's class. So for that, take these two questions as your assignment work. So first question is, here he has given that matrix X plus Y and matrix X minus Y. We need to find matrix X and matrix Y. And in the second question, he has given that matrix A and matrix B, and we need to find the matrix AB, means product of these two matrices. So you may observe here, matrix A has 2 number of rows and 2 number of columns. Therefore, order of the matrix A is 2 cross 2. And matrix B has 2 number of rows and 3 number of columns. Therefore, order of the matrix B is 2 cross 3. So here number of columns in the first matrix are equal to number of rows in the second matrix. Therefore, product of these two matrices is possible, and the order of the resultant matrix AB should be equal to 2 cross 3.